Hey you guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite Saints and Sinners hair products. I'm also going to be using those hair products today to create my loose, wavy kind of curls or waves. You guys have been asking how I do that, so I'm going to do that for you guys today. So let's jump right into it. You guys, Saints and Sinners did not pay me to say any of this stuff that I'm going to be saying today. They do, however, send me products, but all of my opinions on all of these products are legit and true. I have been using Saints and Sinners for quite some time now, and I absolutely love them. They are my favorite hair care company by far. So the first product that I want to talk about, you guys, is the Medusa Divine Curl Cream. Now this is empty, but I wanted to save it for you guys for this video. This stuff is amazing. I use this fresh out of the shower. I put a generous amount into my palm, rub it together, and kind of scrunch the hair like this. And it creates kind of like defined waviness or curly kind of texture. Then I just let my hair air dry. And yeah, it just kind of defines the wave or the curl that you already have in your hair. My hair, as I'm getting older and the more I color it and damage it probably, the wavier it is. It's amazing for when I want to get that loose, curly, wavy kind of look. My next favorite Saints and Sinners product is the leave-in conditioner. You guys, I'm not a leave-in conditioner kind of girl. I just don't need to use it because my hair is so like, it's not very long and it's very fine kind of. But when my son had tight Shirley Temple curls and it was very, very long, this stuff was a lifesaver. He would cry and whine so bad when it came time to brush his hair out of the bath, you guys. But this stuff is a game changer. And he would always be like, Mommy, where's the blue stuff? Where's the blue stuff? Or he would go and get it himself. This was his ride or die. And it was my ride or die too, because it made my life so much easier, as well as his. So if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner and you haven't found anything that works, give this one a shot. Okay, so I've been talking about this next product forever. This has been one of my favorites since I tried Saints and Sinners. And yeah, I still swear by it today. This is the Divine Dry Finish Texture Spray, you guys. Spray a little bit of this into your roots, kind of, you know, mess it around a little bit, and it just creates so much texture. And I am a texture kind of girl. I absolutely love this stuff. And I'll be showing you guys how I use this in just a little bit. All right, so a next product that I use all of the time by them is the Define Flexible Working Hairspray. You guys, this hairspray holds, and also a plus, it is humidity resistant. I can never find a hairspray that will hold in the heat, and this one definitely does. Next, we have the Illuminati Holographic Serum, you guys. This stuff adds so much shine to your hair. It almost gives you like this aura of like holographic glow. It's so amazing. I love to use this if I'm going to flat iron my hair. It kind of seals and protects the hair from any heat and also gets rid of any flyaways, frizz, all that stuff. All right, last but not least, in my favorite Saints and Sinners hair products, we have the Styling Potion. I like to use this in the ends of my hair to create a little bit more texture, as well as get rid of any flyaways. It eliminates frizz, it adds shine. It's everything you could want in a styling cream gel potion.
Okay, so I wanted to do an honorable mention. I do not have the packaging for this product, but I have tried it, I think twice now. This is the Velvet Divine Hair Mask. And you guys, this is one of the best hair masks I've ever tried. I love using this after I have bleached my hair. It kind of just puts the hydration and the moisture back into my hair and makes it feel like itself again.
All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you how I get my loose, wavy curls using some of these real Saints and Sinners products, and I'll be right back.
Okay, so we're starting out with the Illuminati Holographic Serum. I'm literally just doing a pea size, you guys, because that's all you need. And I'm just going to rub this in between my hands and just kind of apply it to the hair. It just kind of leaves everything very shiny and gets rid of those flyaways, as well as protects the hair, because I am going to be using my flat iron for this look. You guys, look at how old this flat iron is. I got this from my best friend back in high school. She didn't need it anymore, and I took it off her hands, and I've still got it till this day. So I am just using my flat iron and kind of curling my hair with it. I'm also not curling them too tight. I'm leaving them very loose and not leaving the heat on one particular spot for too long.
Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry.
And also, as you can see, I'm doing some curls frontwards and some curls backwards.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Then I am taking the very ends of the hair and flat ironing them straight. Now for the bangs, I'm just kind of flat ironing them and kind of curling them under.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.
Using some of the dry finish texture spray, I'm just spraying it into the root of the hair and kind of messing it around until I get it to look how I like.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Now I'm just taking a little bit of Divine Flexible Working Hairspray and just spraying that all in place. Taking a little bit of the styling potion, and as you can see, I'm only taking a little bit on the tips of my fingers, and I'm just gonna rub this in the ends of my hair just to kind of create more texture. I'm gonna also put this in my bangs too. I really like this stuff because it makes everything look very piecey. I like very piecey, choppy, texturized looking hair.
Well, that is it, you guys. That is how I get my messy, loose, wavy curls, whatever you want to call this. I just kind of mess with it until I think it looks good. But I could not do it without the help of Saints and Sinners, you guys. Go follow them, go like them, go look at their website. I'm sure you'll find something. There's something for everyone. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.
Just like a